初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I'm nervous about the interview.
I'm nervous about the interview.
我对面试感到紧张。
I'm nervous about the interview.
I'm nervous about the interview.
I hope they like my resume.
I hope they like my resume.
我希望他们喜欢我的简历。
I hope they like my resume.
I hope they like my resume.
Do I look professional enough?
Do I look professional enough?
我看上去够专业吗？
Do I look professional enough?
Do I look professional enough?
I should arrive 10 minutes early.
I should arrive 10 minutes early.
我应该提前10分钟到达。
I should arrive 10 minutes early.
I should arrive 10 minutes early.
Don't forget to smile confidently.
Don't forget to smile confidently.
别忘了自信的微笑。
Don't forget to smile confidently.
Don't forget to smile confidently.
My hands are a little sweaty.
My hands are a little sweaty.
我的手有点出汗。
My hands are a little sweaty.
My hands are a little sweaty.
What if they ask tough questions?
What if they ask tough questions?
如果他们问棘手的问题怎么办？
What if they ask tough questions?
What if they ask tough questions?
I'll stay calm and answer clearly.
I'll stay calm and answer clearly.
我会保持冷静并清晰地回答。
I'll stay calm and answer clearly.
I'll stay calm and answer clearly.
Be yourself, just be yourself.
Be yourself, just be yourself.
做你自己，就做你自己。
Be yourself, just be yourself.
Be yourself, just be yourself.
I prepared for this already.
I prepared for this already.
我已经为此做好了准备。
I prepared for this already.
I prepared for this already.
Here comes the interviewer now.
Here comes the interviewer now.
面试官现在来了。
Here comes the interviewer now.
Here comes the interviewer now.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
很高兴见到您，谢谢。
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
I appreciate this opportunity today.
I appreciate this opportunity today.
我很感激今天这个机会。
I appreciate this opportunity today.
I appreciate this opportunity today.
I'm passionate about this position.
I'm passionate about this position.
我对这个职位充满热情。
I'm passionate about this position.
I'm passionate about this position.
I learn quickly and work hard.
I learn quickly and work hard.
我学得快且工作努力。
I learn quickly and work hard.
I learn quickly and work hard.
My biggest strength is dedication.
My biggest strength is dedication.
我最大的优点是奉献精神。
My biggest strength is dedication.
My biggest strength is dedication.
I enjoy solving difficult problems.
I enjoy solving difficult problems.
我喜欢解决难题。
I enjoy solving difficult problems.
I enjoy solving difficult problems.
Communication is important for me.
Communication is important for me.
沟通对我来说很重要。
Communication is important for me.
Communication is important for me.
I always respect the team.
I always respect the team.
我总是尊重团队。
I always respect the team.
I always respect the team.
I can multitask very well.
I can multitask very well.
我能很好的同时处理多项任务。
I can multitask very well.
I can multitask very well.
I like learning new skills.
I like learning new skills.
我喜欢学习新技能。
I like learning new skills.
I like learning new skills.
I value honesty and responsibility.
I value honesty and responsibility.
我重视诚实和责任感。
I value honesty and responsibility.
I value honesty and responsibility.
I want to grow here.
I want to grow here.
我想在这里成长。
I want to grow here.
I want to grow here.
I hope to contribute a lot.
I hope to contribute a lot.
我希望能做出很多贡献。
I hope to contribute a lot.
I hope to contribute a lot.
Thank you for your questions.
Thank you for your questions.
谢谢您的问题。
Thank you for your questions.
Thank you for your questions.
That meeting went better than expected.
That meeting went better than expected.
那次会议比预期的要好。
That meeting went better than expected.
That meeting went better than expected.
I think I did okay overall.
I think I did okay overall.
我认为总体上我做的还不错。
I think I did okay overall.
I think I did okay overall.
I'll wait for their response.
I'll wait for their response.
我会等待他们的回复。
I'll wait for their response.
I'll wait for their response.
I really want this job.
I really want this job.
我真的很想要这份工作。
I really want this job.
I really want this job.
Let's stay positive and hopeful.
Let's stay positive and hopeful.
让我们保持积极和充满希望。
Let's stay positive and hopeful.
Let's stay positive and hopeful.
I'll treat myself to lunch.
I'll treat myself to lunch.
我要犒劳自己吃午餐。
I'll treat myself to lunch.
I'll treat myself to lunch.
A good meal calms nerves.
A good meal calms nerves.
一顿美餐能安抚紧张情绪。
A good meal calms nerves.
A good meal calms nerves.
I'll text my family the news.
I'll text my family the news.
我会发短信告诉家人这个消息。
I'll text my family the news.
I'll text my family the news.
They always support me greatly.
They always support me greatly.
他们总是大力支持我。
They always support me greatly.
They always support me greatly.
It feels amazing finishing that.
It feels amazing finishing that.
完成那件事感觉太棒了。
It feels amazing finishing that.
It feels amazing finishing that.
I'll update my notes later.
I'll update my notes later.
我稍后会更新我的笔记。
I'll update my notes later.
I'll update my notes later.
Maybe check job postings again.
Maybe check job postings again.
也许再查看一下招聘信息。
Maybe check job postings again.
Maybe check job postings again.
Always have backup options ready.
Always have backup options ready.
总是准备好备选方案。
Always have backup options ready.
Always have backup options ready.
Everything will be fine soon.
Everything will be fine soon.
一切很快就会好起来的。
Everything will be fine soon.
Everything will be fine soon.
I'm proud of myself today.
I'm proud of myself today.
今天我为自己感到骄傲。
I'm proud of myself today.
I'm proud of myself today.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。